Morning, I am Classics and Sports Cars vlog channel. I'm here at Kenward Place in Kent and it's 31st of May 2026. Another car show, obviously. I'm going to have a wander. Kenward Place is out in the middle of nowhere, really. I mean, we've got a car show here, so we're going to have a wander and see what they have. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as all helps. Also, may fall over at any time, but it's where it goes on my channel. Pre-GL. There are hundreds of cars here, but there are a few. It's a Corsair, I believe. Convertible. And the conversion to a Ford Anglia. People are still coming in at the moment. I've got a very nice vibe. I've got another one. People everywhere at the moment, so Corvette. There you go. So it's not what I put your Corvette. Very nice too. It is. Oh, sorry. They got wooden tables at the back in that. Cool. Bentley. Popular. Yeah.
Oh, that's the price then.
We missed you in Bexhill. Oh, was it good? It was good.
275. Oh man. What's then? I've been cheap. Well, I don't know. I suppose cheap would mean
Well, in the 60s.
I've been pretty expensive. But I mean,
very early 60s.
It was a shame. Really, it was good. We did have it was good fun.
on Green Granada Estate. So this place is Kenward Trust, the Kenward House here, and their house is open. I think they do have people that live here, obviously. Oh, they've got animals up there as well, because I've got a bit of a farm here as well. Animals called, what you call alpapash, wherever they are. It's their car. Some wood on the back. Cool. And they've got an Aston Martin, very old Aston Martin there. We've got everyone. There's only 11 people in there did it last year. One's got to come into the main entrance.
You don't mind going to Granny Granddad's car on the way home, do you?
Audi Quattro. 02 model. Very good order. Very good nick for 02. Triumph TR7. That is. Recognisable, then it's a Puma GT. Never seen one of those ever. Factory built, not a kit car. It's actually as it is. Don't know if many of those exist. I don't know, but if anyone knows, do let me know in the comments below when the video is posted. The old Sunbeam, that is. Some details down there. It's really ancient. But very collectible as well, no doubt. Corvette, Corvette Stingray, American thing.
The front of it there reminds me of the other side.
Hello, Cobra. Got a road set there. Who owns it? Yep. Yep. Hold on. Come over. Just my hard hearing and wind as well.
No, it's a number 6 of 24 made of Brooklands and aluminium.
Cheapers.
AC Cobra. Super blower they call this one.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
So it's,
Oh, wow.
all aluminium. Number 6 of 24.
Yeah. So these days, it's like any car. It's very difficult to figure out whether, because there's so many half and half, you know, that are either original or actually not original. That's a problem. It's something that are you've got half and half, which
Yeah.
are copy and look original, but
More
they're
like
not.
98%. 98% are
Right.
fake.
Oh right, so
Yeah.
it falls in the line of in between.
That's it.
Right. So you get so many of vehicles out there, and it's difficult to understand to know to whether they are original from factory or what.
Look a little bit at the engine. And
Hey?
they'll love the picture of the engine.
Yeah,
With the
yeah.
£6 supercharger.
Yeah. All right. Ah. The action. Isn't it? We've got all the plates all on it. Into Brooklyn, Surrey in England. I've been there once. It's a bit of a journey though there in Surrey. It's a supercharged AC car group. It says on the plate. There's a motor exhaust. MGA 1600 there, yeah. It's not for sale, it's just info. That's red Porsche. I don't think Audrey turned up here. Someone I know. So I told her about it, but I don't think she did. So whether they're still on holiday somewhere, well, I'm not sure. But there you go. That's another story. Look, talking something over there, racing thing. BMG. The MGB. Nice engine. Nice leather interior, nice leather seats. They are. And they were short. Nice dash. Nice wheels too, very nice wheels. There's a Cobra too. There. Somehow they've just arrived. The rally car. Oh, go around the other way. Got a couple of stalls here on display, selling stuff. I've got a few bikes here. A bike washing degreaser. Hopefully they're selling good stuff for bikes.
Not just bikes, cars, caravans, motorhomes, steam engines, tractors, you name it, works on all sorts.
Good. No harm with someone, it's good, brilliant. hopefully it's biodegradable.
Yeah. Not tested on
In a sort of a way.
either, although I know a few animals.
Right.
That, you know, they use it, but I wouldn't have said I've tested
Yeah.
it.
So many products out there, there really is. You know, thing.
Not like
You always
this.
need a hose or pressure washer, you know, to, you know, once you put it on, you have to your hose thing off, and you know, and it's same as washing a car, really, isn't it? Really.
You can this one you can literally just mist it on, let it work, agitate it if you need to.
Yeah.
Just wipe it off with a decent microfiber cloth, or you can wet wash with it.
So I've tested on animals, which is good. Some things are, some things aren't. Yeah. This is, yeah. Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. Excellent. Excellent work.
See ya.
Yep. Oh, man. Good Lotus. A J Ridge. In London at the time. Saab on the sea route. Well, might not beat that, but it's a plate to it. Cool, Zephyr. On the estate. Not a people wagon, but it's estate. It'd have more seats in the back if it was a people wagon. Yeah, that. Round. I'll just ask a quick question. How long have you had your? I mean, if you don't mind saying on camera, you know, I mean, just what? How long have you had your car for?
12 months.
Only 12 months,
Yeah,
really?
I had this one 12 months. Yeah.
Who else had it before then?
It came from an auction. It was in Barnsley, Bolton up there.
Oh, right. Oh,
But it
okay.
wasn't like this then. It still needed some work doing.
Fair enough. Okay, fair enough.
The bodywork was fine, but the rest needed work. The bodywork was fine, but the rest needed work.
Oh, right. I see.
Mechanically and
Yeah.
interior.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of classic cars always need attention to them, you know, one thing or another, you know, it's
Yeah.
the way it is, unfortunately, the way it is, you know. You know, but,
There's always something more at them.
you have to keep spending out the money to keep getting things on, just to keep them running.
Yeah.
It's vitally necessary. It really is, I tell you. Honestly, it really is. Okay, thank you. All right, thanks. Yeah, thank you. Are you on the internet at all?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Because I haven't got my leaflet with me, but I mean, my channel is called Classics and Sports Cars Vlog Channel. Because I talk, that's why. Yeah. So I've got a mixture of, you know, classics and sports cars on there. It's YouTube channel. So yeah, if you can try and keep mind it and have a look. Yeah, please do. Because I mean, the more people, the better it, you know, it adds to really. So
Yeah,
you know,
exactly.
do try and advertise, but I mean, you know, as much as I can.
Yeah, we're definitely giving it
Don't
a
actually
look.
walk around with a coat with it, you know, with advertising on. But I mean, you know, so I just haven't got my leaflets on me, and they're indoors. So
Oh, right.
you know, there's nothing in the car I've got. So I mean, but I mean, I try and go into a good few car places, you know, car shows I
Yeah.
can. You know, so I'm always wandering around doing stuff. So. Well, okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh, we dash on Spitfire. Got MR2. Tom with a little dog. Got Renault 5 Sport. Yeah. An Aston Martin. Probably a V8. The Rover. and two next to it. Another one in black. Someone with an they've got an XR3i and Capri in orange. Not the best of colours, but there you go. Yep. You have a digital clock at the top. An XR3i, and we have electric windows. Some of them had, some of them didn't have electric windows in them. In its time. Depending on what year you bought it in, obviously. And this chap's got his car for sale and convertible. And we don't know by what mean. There's no phone number to anything. I don't know what it is, but he's selling it in any case. So. Very nice BMW. Don't know what series that is, because there's nothing on the back.
It doesn't actually feel original, but you know what I mean.
They have Rover Vitesse, and the other one's a Rover Vandenpla V8. It's come around here for you. Vandenpla V8 on the back.
Yeah. Because it's a race. Yes.
Renault 5 GT Turbo. Got a very nice Aston Martin. They're always a very, very expensive car to keep as well. They're a very, very expensive car to keep. Aston Martins, yeah.
I know.
So you have to speak up.
Yeah, they are.
They are.
You're right, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are.
They're not the cheapest cars, to even run, to be honest. Even sure.
Oh,
My leaves coming off.
yeah.
Leaves
Thank
everywhere.
you.
Yeah, thanks.
Damaging the car.
Yeah.
No!
Compensation of the tree.
Save my car, please. Yeah, they're not the cheapest of cars. In both ways, insurance in it or fuel rings,
I
really.
don't think anything here is cheap to run, is it, really?
Oh. You usually got to have a hell of a lot of money behind you just to keep it on the road, basically.
Yeah.
Usually because they cost so much. They are a nice car, but it's just having the money, to keep them,
Yeah.
running, isn't it? Oh, nightmare.
Which one do you like best here today? Which one do you like best?
Put on. Oh.
Probably 3 here.
BMW Z1, which has got the magic door system to it. The up and down doors to it, which makes it easy to get in and out. Oh, hello. I saw you up the lane, didn't I?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you made it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was kind of signed, but not that clearly.
Yeah, I
wasn't
mean, it is signposted as you reach it, but I mean, it's, when you come to that end of the junction, you think, well, which way do I go left or right, out of it?
Yeah, no,
Because
I'm
it is
with you.
Yalding, but so you was right, it was only a few yards down that road, wasn't it?
It might be worth just feeding back a bit and just say maybe a sign at
Yeah,
that junction, just saying that way.
yeah, of course.
Yeah, because if you don't, I mean, I walked up from Waterbury, so I was all
Yeah.
right, and I kind of knew where I was going. But yeah, it's fab, isn't it?
Right. Okay, thank you. Thanks. Oh, yeah. Cool. It's a real wowzer of a car, Subaru. It's a car that I like, but I mean, I never had a full one because it's just too big of money. They're really hard to run. Run away with your fuel, run away with your money. They are nice, but it's just too costly. Those exhaust, jeepers. Throw out some compression. You're gone. Boing. Those wheels. It's well looked after inside by the look of it. And you've got another base standard one. Japan or Chinese number plate on it. It's all say Japanese, I would say. I think that is Japanese. It's got English plates hiding underneath somewhat. It's hiding its English plate underneath behind it. Yeah. And we've got a Jaguar at the end here. Fields and fields over there, fields and fields. Looks like nearly dropped the camera. Some stalls here. Oh, there's like soaps and candles, really, that's what they are. And the kids stuff and whatnot, some honey and some bobs, really, stuff. Yeah, in between. Soaps and wooden stuff in here as well. Those round still. Don't know what they are. Look like frisbee thing. Don't know. What's that there in there? Don't know what they are. Don't know. They're all finely made here. There we go. I want to back out. Got electric charge points here for electric cars. A few bikes. No, that's the other entrance from another road up there. Yeah, they've got food place here, and that's the Kenward Trust building there. They've got their own stall selling food and drinks and whatnot. Yeah. With a scimitar there, they're really old. These have just turned up. Artwork on it, and that's got back. Yeah, 150, 60s pod. Yeah. Automatic V6. Got bags with it on it. Morgan as well. Your own bag.
V12.
Leather and wood dash. Door panels, but that is that, as he would say. That's all there is today here at Kenward Place in Kent, their car show. I'm going to say goodbye from here, and hopefully I might be at another car show very soon. And do subscribe to my channel, please, as all helps in the long run, and it does. My fluffy microphone's got a bit got grass on it to where I've laid it down, but there you go. Right, okay, I'm going to say goodbye and hope to see anyone at another car show very soon.